Say, all right guys, we are at Copper Creek and we're going to show you our room 6135. This is a standard deluxe studio.
We just got here, just like 5 minutes ago.
Here is the bathroom.
Look,
So
it says welcome home to the family.
I love this. This is a new thing that DVC is doing. We're Disney Vacation Club members. And now when you walk into the room, your name is there, so welcome home. So this is a really good sized room.
It has your last name.
Just your little kitchenette, your entryway,
Yeah.
dresser.
There's a little mini table.
And the couch folds out into a bed. Little
Yeah,
dinette
but there's
set.
also a bed right here too.
Now let's see our view. I have no clue what view we got.
From the 6th floor.
I think we're overlooking the pool. Yeah, this is the 6th floor. It's just started raining right now. Oh, this is so cool, guys. Look. Look, we got a lake view. Oh my goodness.
Oh, Discovery Island.
And we can see Discovery Island from here. You guys see Discovery
So
Island?
that you guys know it's abandoned.
Discovery Island. It is abandoned. Everyone should research
Look,
Discovery
you see
Island.
you see that pole right there?
And there's
Way
the
out in
pool.
distance.
And this is Copper Creek.
Yeah, the pool looks.
Ooh, 2 hot tubs. Check it out.
Yeah. You guys should have seen from last night. We forgot to film.
Yeah, that's all right.
Yeah.
So this makes up for it. And oh, when we go down, so down you can kind of see those are geysers that they self-made geysers. But yeah, so this is Copper Creek and this rain should be clearing out and then we'll show you guys more.